Darrell Lutz, Darrellutz. And in the novel, Darrell Lutz commits a suicide. And he is a young farmer neighbor of the Ripplemayers. And what was he doing? He used to rear hogs, and he actually loved Jasmine a lot.
So what is the meaning of the word assimilation?
Assimilation, that is when you try to assimilate somebody or something, that is assimilation. So in case if you want to know what does assimilate means, I don't know. So just a sec. Assimilation, because there are two words. One, see, in science you must have gone through three words: absorption, adsorption, AD, and the other is assimilation. So assimilation, that you fully understand an idea or some information so that you are able to use it yourself. Okay. Or the other meaning is to become or allow somebody to become part of a country or community rather than remaining in a separate group. So that is assimilation. Okay.
So there is a question. Write a note on Jasmine as an immigrant's attempt at assimilation.
Okay, so that is true. So you just need to talk about the immigrant, because now she moves from her place and moves to a different country. So you just need to discuss that how or what efforts does she make while adapting to different situations. So that is it.
And sir, in this also, like there's another question. In
Yes.
Jasmine Bharti Mukherjee narrates a tale of moral courage, fusion, and assimilation in an alien culture. Discuss.
Yes, the culture is alien because she is not known to this culture, because she moves from one place to another place. That is why she is alien, one thing. And it's a matter of courage, because that's precisely, I should elaborate a bit more in the novel. Let me talk about violence in the novel. Okay, so the very first instance in the novel, that her mother, her own mother, wants to kill Jasmine just because of the fear that later on she would be required to give dowry for the child, because it was a large family. So the very first attempt of violence is from her mother. Okay, now she considers like daughters to be curses, as was the case and as was customary earlier. So she considers that this particular daughter is a curse, and she tries to even end the life of Jyoti. Okay, so that is first instance. And then we move on later. So, and her elder sister also considers hers to be as a ruby red choker of Bruce. Okay, and third instance we get to know that in one of those accounts there was a mad dog which just runs after Jyoti. Okay, and in the want, because she wants to emerge out of the situation, she basically kills that dog. Okay, so that is the third. And it was like she was accompanying in the neighborhood and women to the fields during the morning session, as we have in that toilet prem katha, right? So this is the latrine hour or the latrine session when she is heading, and Jyoti encountered a mad dog and courageously killed it with a wooden staff she had collected by chance. So this is the third instance. Okay, and then we move on. We have this instance of Jyoti's father. Now what happened to Jyoti's father? He was killed in an accident because he was going through a field on the way to a friend's hut, and he was attacked by a mad bull. Okay, so the bull ran into Jyoti's father, and this was an accident in which Jyoti's father had to lose his life. Okay, so this is another instance of violence in the novel. That is why, because in the opening, in the epigraph, it says the twisted, tangled, and intertwined geometry of the universe, because dog is also after her. Again, she's trying to, so it is like twisted, tangled, and intertwined in the geometry of the universe. Okay, and the second instance is that of the bull. That bull attacks her father. So that is one. Okay, and then okay, Jamal Masterji is different. Masterji is a different person, and Devinder is different. Okay, let me tell you who is Masterji. Now his Masterji is Jyoti's beloved school teacher. Now he's a school teacher of Jyoti, and now not that of Prakash Vij. Okay, for Prakash Vij we have Devinder Vadhera. Professor Vadhera is there. For Jyoti, Jyoti's school teacher was Masterji. Okay, whom she lovingly called Masterji. Now he also met a kind of he was due to this brutal shot, 30 bullets. Okay, 30 bullets were shot into him by youths of separatist Sikh movement. Okay, so the separatist Sikh movement, they shot 30 bullets into Masterji, and this is how Masterji was killed in a violent incident. So this is so you so please make these observations when you are saying that it is a matter of courage. So this is how Jyoti or Jasmine over right from her birth is struggling to just live or to breathe, right? So her mother is trying to kill her, the dog is after her, and all the people whom she loved or she was very dear to them or who helped her to adapt to different situations, they were also killed in the novel, right? So Masterji is also killed, right? And later on, in one of those instances, when she moves from New York to Iowa, was the reason because because she spots that Sukhvinder. Okay, Sukhvinder is the person now who killed. So Sukhvinder, he sees Sukhvinder that. Okay, Prakash Vij was also, and how was Prakash Vij killed? Prakash Vij was killed by a bomb planted by Sikh Khalsa Lions. Okay, Sikh Khalsa Lions, they planted a bomb in the central bazaar of Jalandhar. Okay, and he was there, Prakash Vij was there, so he was bombed, right? So that is also another instance of violence. So when she sees Sukhvinder in New York in the guise of a vendor, then she is frightened. Okay, she fears this thing and she automatically moves to another area which was in Iowa. Okay, so that is the reason she moves to Iowa. So that is another. And the last upheaval, the last violent upheaval which we encounter in the novel is that of Darrell Lutz. Okay, Darrell Lutz is there who in the end commits suicide. So this is how, when you say that it is courage, okay, and how she's trying to assimilate, because you will talk about different locations, that how she takes different identities and in different lands. So it is Florida is there, New York is there, Hasnapur, Jalandhar, okay, Punjabi ghetto Flushing is there, Manhattan, and likewise various other places. So this is how what needs to be talked about. Okay, so in a way she has tried to reposition her stars. Okay, so that is there. So this is at the age of 14 when she was married. It may right say at the age of 14 or 15, or she was widowed. So depending upon the kind of sources which you refer, so it varies here and there. But she was married to Prakash Vij at the age of a very tender age of 14, and she got widowed at the age of 16. And at the age of 17, she moves to Florida, New York, and at the end we see that she is of 24 years. And when she moves to Florida, New York, she is just 17. And here she moves from the Indian ghetto Flushing to the university accommodation where Claremont Avenue is there. Claremont Avenue, right? So she shifts to Claremont Avenue. And then later on, now Baden happens to be a banker and a farmer also, who is killed by a local in fact, this is Bud Ripplemeyer, the banker, the Bud Ripplemeyer, the banker. Now he is killed because he did not give loan to one of the farmers who was there, who applied for the loan. So he was killed simply because, not killed, in fact, he was turned out to be a paraplegic. Okay. And Jane, and then last we have this Do is also a character, D-U is there, and Duff is also there. Bud's baby. Duff, Taylor Hayes, California, Willie Hayes. So these are various people in the novel. So no, is it exhausted? No, it is not still exhausted. We have, whatever we have discussed so far, we have almost.
Jyoti was serving her life by selling detergent to make money.
Come again.
So Jyoti was actually selling detergent to make money
Detergent.
while studying. Sir, yes, sir, I got it. This once again. Detergent. Yes, sir, I got this point.
और वर्ड होगा, डिटर्जेंट क्यों हो जाएगा?
Detergent powder maybe, sir.
Spelling?
No, let me, sir. Let me get.
Detergent, when you say it is a liquid or powder that helps remove dirt, that is a detergent. For example,
Yes, sir. Yeah, she was selling to make money.
That is fine.
To survive her life.
No, it is not just that she wants to make money. Money वो बनता क्या वो दूसरी बात है, पर पैसे के लिए नहीं था ये था अपने
yes, yes, I got it.
हाँ, ये था अपने
I got it.
हाँ, deterrent होगा.
No, yes, sir, here I'm telling. Jasmine runs a ladies group raffle and sells detergent to make money. DETRGENT.
तो वो कुछ होगा नॉवल में. अब इतना माइन्यूट डिटेल अब कहीं कुछ होगा. आपने अब डिपेंड कर रहा है ना कि आप कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हो. अब सही से कुछ पढ़ोगे तो कुछ और अच्छी, वरना यही डिटर्जेंट में फंसे रहोगे. कुछ अच्छा पढ़ो. वही तो तुम कह रहे हो कि ये सब डिटेल सर हमारे पास नहीं है जो मेरे पास है.
Yes, sir. Sir, please send me. Yeah?
So, Dr. Vadhera, D.U. Do, Jasmine and Jasmine's father. Okay. So these are various characters. So as I told you that immigrants by force and immigrants by choice. Right. So you know of Jasmine a lot. So that is not a problem. What do you know of Do? D.U.
Do was an adopted son.
He's a Vietnam boy from a refugee camp. Okay, he's another immigrant by force. Now he is also one of those other as I told you, immigrant by force and immigrant by choice. So he's other immigrant by force. He was adopted by Bud, who was a banker. Baden में, Iowa में था. And he never. And then we also see that there are two lives. One in Saigon and another in the refugee camp. Okay, Saigon, SAIGON, Saigon or refugee camp में, these are two lives being talked about. और बाद में भी जो है, he is one of those characters that who wants to move and go and live with his sister in California. Okay. He doesn't talk much about the refugee camp. Other than that, that is fine. So Do in one way is one of those whom Jasmine also considers to be as a real hero, or Do to be as say a yogi, because he is very silent, very calm, composed. He doesn't talk much and very balanced character in the novel. But he is not able to digest the relationship which is there between, because when it comes to Jasmine and Bud, because Bud is quite old, almost as old as Jasmine's father would have been. So how come a relationship between Bud and Jasmine existed or flourished? So that is why he did not like this idea, right? And he wanted to make money, and he wanted to go back to live with his sister in Baden in Iowa with the Buds. He is just an adopted son. So a small day time job, and then there's a technical work during night time, and he tries to make more money. So when it comes to do. Now, the way he works, okay, the way he judicially estimates people, the way he controls himself, right? The way he acts as a practical man. He's not the daydreamer. कि ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. He's not the daydreamer, right? He's very practical, like Jasmine's father. So you see, there is also this thing because daughters, the kind of relationship which is there with the daughter and the father-daughter relationship. Now, when she sees Do, so in Do, at times she begins to feel that feel her father in Do. So she sees father in Do. Okay, almost he behaves like that. So with all such qualities, with his courage, he raises himself to the stature of a hero. Okay, so that is there. Now, Devinder Vadera, you know, you can discover more. Widowhood is there, exile is there. ये तो सब उन्होंने बोला ही था. In the end, she says that, watch me reposition the stars. I whisper to the astrologer who floats cross-legged above my kitchen stove. ठीक है, चूंकि भविष्यवाणी हुई थी, एस्ट्रोलॉजी उसने वो करी थी, लेकिन पूरी उम्र जो है वो अपने स्टार्स को रिपोजिशन करती रही. और शी वांटेड टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट कि जो इन्होंने कह दिया, इट इज नॉट just that I live by this. Okay, that is there. एक्चुअली पढ़ाने का कोई एंड तो होता नहीं. लिटरेचर में तो आप एक टॉपिक करते हैं, वो चल सकता है 1 महीना 1 साल, डिपेंड करता है कि उसमें आप किस तरीके से एंगेज करते हैं, है ना. कई साल चल सकते हैं, many years it can just go on and on, but the point is क्या उतना हम आपको पढ़ा तो दें, आप कितना पढ़ने को तैयार हैं, आप खुद कितना पढ़ रहे हैं. so that is also crucial. हसनापुर है, जलंधर, फ्लोरिडा, कोलंबिया, बैडन, ये सारी सब जगह हैं, लाहौर. हाँ, ये देखिए अमेरिकन नेस्ट का एक एग्जाम्पल है वर्षा. Some people were meant to be American. If they were meant to be American, even if they never leave their village in Punjab, at heart they are American. It is a desire for more, more, more. So that is very typical of Americans. Yeah, Prakash was a businessman. Electronic goods वगैरह बेचता था वो. इस तरीके से और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Now in the end, now dream is something very crucial. अगर आप उसमें अमेरिकन ड्रीम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आप एक नए लैंड में क्यों जाते हैं, एक आपको पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, यू वांट टू गो. मनी कम्स विद दैट, बट मनी इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग. कि हाँ जैसे कि देविंदर ये वडेरा की भी जो चिट्ठी गई थी उसके हस्बैंड के पास, दैट इट इज नाउ टाइम फॉर माय बेस्ट, फॉर दैट माय बेस्ट स्टूडेंट शुड नाउ मेक अ शिफ्ट एंड मेक मोर मनी, राइट. सो देयर इज दिस ड्रीम. ही टू वांटेड टू गो अब्रॉड. So when it is like, it is not as simple that you think that he is or Jasmine is just moving from one way to other. So this is an American dream. Now what is that American dream? Now I am not choosing between two men, and you also see the failure of marriages and constantly moving from one relationship to the other. So that is also very central. So that is you understand. So she is not choosing between two men. Okay, I am caught between the promise of America, right? So promise of America is to give you more, 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 and the old world dutifulness. So whenever she also gets a hang that okay, एक relationship बन सकती है, कुछ और हो सकता है, तो she makes a choice कि हम ये dutiful होके wife होके, she also got pregnant later. right? So उसके पास choice थी कि वो एक wife के तौर पे वहीं पे she could have stayed back, or but she then made a choice कि I don't have to be beautiful, I should move away from here, right? So that is American dream. Okay, so more and more is there. So it was not that she was choosing between two men. It was she was choosing between the American promise, okay, offering more and more, and the other is the dutiful world, okay, which gives you more duties. So that is there. Now Jasmine is certainly, so we have diasporal dream is there. Now she is also a rebel against traditional conservatism. Okay, she is a rebel because she does not conform to any of those things existing in the society, right? And there is this alternate reality is there. Fine. Cross-cultural transaction is there. Evolution of family is there. Clear? So now we also have resilient victims and resilient heroes in the novel.